Hi, and welcome to this tutorial on getting started with vocal references. We're going to show you the initial steps for registration and startup and setup, and then walk you through adding a testimonial. So we'll show you how to create an account, configure the flyout display widget, how to insert the display widget in your website, how to add a testimonial, and how to where to go to change the display widget after you have initially set up the software. So let's get going. On the right hand side of the page you'll see the display flyout display widget, and this is what we're going to assist you in getting onto your website. So the first step is to click the Start Now to start the process. The first step is to create an account, use an email, and pick a password like all software, and we'll use happy user. Hopefully all our users will be happy at Vocal References. And a password. You can, if you want, you can use your Google Plus, and then you don't have to remember your password. And click Go. That's it. That's what's involved in creating an account. Now we're in the Configure Display step, where you can change the display and how the display looks. By clicking the preview, you'll see the impact of every change that you make in the various options on the display widget. So we just change it to customers. The title will be customers instead of reviews, and you can see that it changed the title on the display widget. We'll just change that back for now. Another option you have is position. You can specify that the display widget will be on the right hand side or the left hand side of the page. So just preview that. You'll see how it moves to the left hand side, or you can move it back to the right hand side. You also have the option to raise or lower where the display widget is displayed on the page. The default's 100 pixels, but you can change to whatever you want. We'll change it to 180. You can also set the option to display on page load, which will automatically extend the flyout widget after a certain amount of seconds that the page is loaded. If you don't want to make any changes to the display widget and just leave it as a default, so you'll just hit next. We have two major color options. This is the dark one that you saw. The one that we were using before is called the light one, or you can specify any type of color that you want in order so that it works with the various color schemes on your website. We're going to select the red for the tab. Let's take a look at how that looks. And you can see it changes it to red. Again, you can play with this as much as you like, and once you hit next, it'll save your settings. And that's it. Now your flyout is configured. You'll then be presented with the code that you need to insert into the web page where you want to have the testimonials displayed. You can put it on any web page or all the web pages or one web page, whatever you like. If this is too technical for you in terms of copy and pasting the code, then you have the option of clicking the email code to my developer and simply type in the email of your developer, and the code will be sent with a short message to your developer that you wish to insert this code into your website or web page. And that's it. You're ready to go. So now we're going to show you how to add a testimonial. We're going to add a very simple text testimonial. Right at the top of the form you have an option to select the number of stars. We'll select 5. We'll put in a title for your review. This will be my first testimonial. And then what we're going to do is we're going to type in the text of the testimonial. You have the option to record a video if you like, but we're going to keep this simple. You can also add a photo if you like. We'll save that just to get going. And then because we selected 5 stars, you have the option of sharing the testimonial in your Facebook page, but that's an advanced feature. That's it. Now you have a testimonial, and we're ready to exit and go see how it looks. We exit, and we're taken to the Merchant Center where we see the testimonial that we have just added to our account. And if I wish to go back and see the display widget, so I click on Display and then Flyout from the top menu, and there you have all the options. I'll click Preview just so you can see it, the way it looks and how we set it up. There you go, with the testimonial that we just added. And if you want, you can play around and change any of the options here. If you have any further questions, you can contact us by sending us an email to support@vocalreferences.com or check out our website. Thank you very much.